Like, I don't dare stop her, because if imagine she fell off. Using his phone. It's not a good time to do it. Yeah, you see? But no shouting. Sometimes they get very angry when you stop them.
Yeah.
If you got your phone, you go on YouTube and look for angry doctors. It was me, but years ago in Regent's Park. So ow.
Angry doctors.
I'll show you. I was about to do it and then I saw him coming. Yeah, this one. Oh, now we have a slow signal.
Nervous about your driving test?
Sorry.
Prepare with the driving test.
Let me just get there.
Yeah, always coming.
This is a long time ago. In 2019. Look at this. Same kind of thing, huh? She got so angry. And they're like, come on, out of the way, but you can watch. If you search angry doctors, you'll see it.
Yeah.
I have to pay a little attention now.
Yeah.
You can't believe there are so many signs coming this way saying road closed, road closed. I knew I was fine because I can walk and push. But anyway. Everybody wants to take a shortcut in London.
Yeah.
He wants to go maybe. Sorry?
No one has patience. They can't.
Even me, coming from Zimbabwe, I had a lot of patience. London has trained the patience away. We never know what's coming.
First of all, I was trying to, when you are
Here we go.
away, this is me.
Ah,
I thought if you go away, I'll just get chance. But later I knew, oh, this is nice job he's doing.
Yeah. Actually, you know what's very interesting, it's often the Londoners that get the most angry and shouty, and it's the foreigners like us who are more polite and calm. Why is this, I wonder?
Fascinating, isn't it?
Yeah.
Fascinating. Yeah, particularly that.
Look, here we go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for being here.
Thank you.
Here we go. Now this one I'm scared of because it's very big. I'm not moving. You can get out and have a shout. You can get out and have a shout. It ain't going to do you any good. You don't recognize my voice? Should you be doing that? What does this say?
Is that what you got it for? Is that what you got it for?
What? Well, you're probably right. You wouldn't think twice about running into me, or some of you wouldn't. You'll think twice about damaging your truck by driving over my bike. There we go. You see, I've encountered people like you before. You see this? Take the red card, man. Take the red card. How big do you feel now? This big? I'm not taking any prisoners. No way, look, here we go. Here we go.
How did they get right? The bus didn't come up that way.
You can get through.
Yes, this way.
Yes.
But not coming up. I'm just telling you, the bus dropped me up.
But there is some ways of getting from whatever the extension of... There is a way of turning in up here.
No.
That's not blocked. Because I've been on it.
Well, you won't because the bus didn't come, but it can't get
The
up
bus
here.
may not make it, but certainly a car could drive that way.
I'm really interested in the bus.
Can't help you on that one, sorry.
You to help me. I'm going home. I live
Yes.
around the corner. But I got dropped off up in...
And you had to walk.
No, it's fine.
Yes.
I've only been walking all day with grandchildren.
Lovely.
Yes.
I love the blue. It really suits you.
Oh, thanks very much. But you should know where you are. You should have a map.
I must admit I only have an approximation. I go by Google and I happen to know this route through here.
Real map. You're
I don't live in this area, so you know.
Doesn't matter, you've got to get to know it.
I suppose you're right.
Which area do you live in?
I live... Probably, you're right, yeah. It's much more convenient than the bus. My parents are Dutch, you see, even though I grew up in Zimbabwe. Have a lovely evening. Oi, oi. Now she recognizes me. Another one who's not seen all of the road closed signs and just ignored them. That's why she recognized me, so she knows what's happening. That's why she stayed there and didn't move. Toba, Toba, Toba. I think she's Pakistani, that's why I'm saying this. You know, it's a Muslim, it means repent. I am. You're all good, mate. You're all good. How are you? Yeah.